Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in QACA account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to log in into your QACA account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.qualityaustriacentralasia.com/login. Once you do so, you will end up in this page where you need to type in your email address and the password of your account. Once you're done typing in both the necessary credentials, you can simply tap on the login button. So after you tap on login, you will get the access to your account right away. However, if you've forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot password, or if you are new, you can tap on the sign up option also. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.